just moments ago, confirming 2 deaths now, as 70 unvaccinated people have been hospitalized due to a growing measles outbreak in Pennsylvania. These are the first measles-related deaths in 35 years in the state of Pennsylvania, and come one day after Maryland officials declared a measles outbreak in 3 counties there. As that's happening, Florida is proposing changes to vaccine requirements for school children. The proposal would no longer require children be vaccinated against diseases like chickenpox and hepatitis B. NewsNation's Joe Khalil is following this all, joins us live there from Capitol Hill. So, Joe, how is this being received?
It's causing a really big debate in Florida and elsewhere because the state is actually on the verge right now of making this move, ending the vaccine mandate for school-age children for 4 specific immunizations that have been required for years, in some cases for decades, for students K through 8 to go to public schools in the state of Florida. There are 4 specific ones. It would be the hepatitis B shot, the chickenpox vaccine, Hib, and PVC. The state's Surgeon General, Joseph Ladapo, has already approved this move, and he does not need the state's legislature to do this. He can unilaterally, as the Florida Department of Health, make this move without any other authorization. He has already done that. So right now where we are is Florida is in this 21-day period of public comment. Although, again, we should mention it is very unlikely that anything that is said or done in this 21 days is going to reverse this policy, because not only is the Surgeon General very much moving forward on it at the state level in Florida, but Governor Ron DeSantis has also been a big proponent of making this move and ending the vaccine mandates for these 4 specific shots. This is what Surgeon General Ladapo had to say on NewsNation when he was first proposing this idea more than 11 months ago. And he says this is about families having the ability to make choices for their own children.
People were really, excited about this, both in the positive and the negative. But it's ultimately the right position. Parental rights absolutely matter. And my Lord, if they don't matter for control of your body or your child's body, when the heck do they matter?
Now, the majority of the medical community is opposed to a move like this. And this is a statement we got from the chapter of American Academy of Pediatrics, the president, Rana Alyssa, saying that Florida now ranks 5th in the nation for measles cases, a reminder that vaccine-preventable diseases can return when vaccination coverage fails. Says pediatricians have been clear that widespread childhood immunizations help keep children healthy and protect those who are most vulnerable. So that is, again, the statement there. There are several other medical organizations that have spoken out against this, that continue to use this 21-day period to advocate against these proposed changes. But I do stress, Nichole, that it is incredibly unlikely that anything changes at the point that the state of Florida is at right now.
And this is, again, a Florida-centric issue right now. But as you mentioned, we've really seen a nationwide debate on vaccine rollbacks.
Yeah, and the vaccine conversation nationwide, you're right, because several states have been impacted by certain things, and measles really dominates that conversation. We've seen outbreaks in places like Texas and Oklahoma, major outbreaks, and we just had the deaths in Pennsylvania. 2 people have died now. But when you look nationwide, just 2024, 2 years ago, there were about 200 cases, and that was seen as a high number. This year, we're on track to be well over 2,000 cases nationwide. So you can see that the measles cases are spreading. Now, we should be clear, in Florida, no one is recommending that the MMR vaccine for measles be removed from the mandatory list, but it is a part of this broader conversation now as more kids are getting exemptions from vaccines.
Yeah, certainly part of the national conversation. All right.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.